we are taking a rectangular sheet with the points named as A, B, C and D. So the length of BC is 8 and the length of AB is 6. So what this question is asking us that we have to find the length of AF. So what we have to know is that EF is the crease that is formed when point C coincides with point A. So to take a look at, so to understand this concept better, let's take a sheet of paper. So we can take this as point A, this as point B, C and D. So when we take point C and put it over point A, we can see that crease EF is formed. So when crease EF is formed, you can see that AF is equal to FC. So we can take a variable. So since these two are equal, we can take this as X and we can also take this as X. So diagrammatic representation of this can be this. So when this diagram is folded, this kind of diagram is formed as we have seen with the paper. So AF will be equal to this will be C and this will be D, so FC. So now since these all are the deductions that can be made from the question, now let's move on with the solution. Since we know that this much is X, this much will be 8 minus X because the whole of the length is 8. Since we know this side and these two are the same variable, we can employ Pythagorean theorem here. We are using Pythagorean theorem here because we have a right angled triangle here. So we can use triangle ABF, which is a right angled triangle. So since this is a right angled triangle, we can employ the Pythagorean theorem here. It goes like this: A square plus B square is equals to C square. So A square, which is the altitude, is 6 square, which is 36, plus B is the base, which is 8 minus X whole square, which is equals to C square, which is the hypotenuse, which will be X square. So we get 36 plus A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So it is minus 16X equals to X square. We can cancel this X square and this X square. This 2 will be 100 is equals to 16X. X is equals to 100 over 16. Since these two have same, since this can be, both of this number can be divided by 4, we can simplify. 4 times 25 is 100 and 4 times 4 is 16. So the answer is 25 over 4. Actually, there are many solutions to this one question, like there can be 3, 4, 5, 6 or even 10. So right now we will only be showing 2 solutions. Solution 1 will be this one, and to solve this question in another way, we won't take this as 8 minus X, rather we will take this as Y. So we can form 2 equations over here. So like Y plus X is equals to 8. Then we'll use this triangle. Similarly, since this is a right angle triangle, we will use Pythagorean theorem here as well. So it will be 36 plus Y square is equals to X square. Now we'll use the Y. We'll substitute Y from here. So here we are using substitution method. From equation 1 we can get that Y is equals to 8 minus X. So we'll substitute this value of Y here in this equation 2. So 36 plus 8 minus X whole square is equals to X square. Similarly, 36 plus A minus B whole square will be A square plus B square minus 2AB is equals to, this will be X square. Now X square and X square will be cancelled. 36 plus 64 will give us 100 minus 16X equals to 0. We'll take 16X over to the other side. 16X is equals to 100. X is equals to 100 over 4, 100 over 16, which simplifies to 25 over